Hello guys, welcome back. And boys and girls, we have here a binary puzzle, a regular binary puzzle in today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, March the 25th, 2024. Not so good news today, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I won't do the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition, because those puzzles are too easy to solve, wasting my time. So, and it will, I spend more time for uploading it than making it or solving it. So if there are any requests, just please post a comment and we'll do your request. Anyway, let me start with the binary puzzle. By the way, news of today. Well, today is 170. Yeah, 170 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. Yeah, Israel against Hamas, and the war is still going on. And yeah, the people in Gaza are starving. Yes, starving. And it's almost Easter. Yeah, and the war is still continuing. So I'm not happy with all those wars. Anyway, binary puzzle number 8250. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Alright, double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 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 Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Alright. Between the ones comes an O. And then, let me think. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Now I'm stuck. Now I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. But it's not helping me. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Then. Let me think. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. And double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Alright. Between the ones comes an O. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Then between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Here I need to wait. Here I need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to compare now, I think. Yeah, need to compare. The question is the columns or the rows. Well, let me see. Well. This column cannot compare. How about these? Well, I think we need to compare the rows. 1, 0, 0. This I cannot. Double 1. No, I cannot compare this one. How about this one? Double 1 here. Do we have a double 1? No. How about 10, 11? 10, 11, 10, 11. Okay, 010, 010. All right. And then no. This row and that row. All right. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be no. We have 0 here, this should be a 1. Alright, double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 0 here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double 0 here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 7 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. New puzzles, new day. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.